Ah.
Thank you.
You know how to put it? Okay. Nelia,
Say again?
we're gonna put there on Wednesday. Sir, tinaboy ako. Sabi niya, punta ka doon sa living room. Don't do it here in the kitchen daw kasi nagpo-focus siya.
A stairs and a cruise ship.
There is as well?
Yeah.
Oh, you like to go up and down the stairs?
Yeah. Mama.
Hi mga kachika, nandito kami sa magandang hapon, nandito kami sa sa may taekwondo ni Alina. Alihiyu. Yeah, I got your t-shirt inside. What's your head, please? Alihiyu. I give you your t-shirt. Exhausting. 5:20 na ng hapon mga kachika. Na kami. Exhausting.
What is?
The day.
Huh?
Did you take off your shoes and run with Lisa? Did you want to slide?
No, she didn't go in. She didn't go in play area.
Oh.
No play area today. Okay, Daddy.
You said no play for two.
She said I think she's thinking about going punching now.
Punching? She wants punching now.
You go punching Elisa? Yeah, I want to see it. I want to hold your hand.
She said I want clothes like Alisa.
Huh?
Oh, Alina. She said I want clothes like Alina. The uniform. She talking about. You want like? Okay, but it's not just for one day. You go there and then. Oh. If you started it, that's it. You stuck.
Oh no, yeah. And hold it tight, I guess.
You hold it tight.
You hold it like this. You hold it like this.
Fix your t-shirt, babe.
Then
You squeak it again,
I can
Ella.
hold your hand like this.
Ah.
Thank you.
You know how to put it? Okay. Nelia,
You want one?
Okay. Let's go. Mama, don't hold my hand. Oh,
No, mura lang yung mga nila.
donuts. Eat donuts.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna go her vegetable fruits first. Alisa, on her place, dali. Ah,
Hey, strawberries. Mama, please.
look at the raspberries. Looks good, Darina. Lisa. Oh. Ayan, tingnan nyo yun. Ang mumura lang ng mga wine nila, mga kachika. Alan P, it's here. Ah. Oh, this one.
Yeah.
You want one this one as well or not?
What?
You want one? White or not?
Oh, you need it?
Not ready.
Huh? Why am I?
389.
Oh, wow.
Dali na, dali. No, not having baby. No. So, no. No.
Try?
No.
Try that.
Yung gustong-gusto nila dito sa Lido, mga kachika. Push-push na ganyan. Okay, push this side, Okay. Oh no.
So you here now. For me?
You do this side, babe. Okay.
He's your baba. He's your baba. He's your baba.
Can't reach it.
Daddy, wanna try? No. Okay, what? I'll do. It's mine. It's Elisa. It's Elisa.
Big droppings up there.
Near my turn. It's my hair straight time. I try. No hair straight time.
Do you want some tea, my darling?
Yeah. Yeah, do something.
Hi, friend. Hi. You okay?
Sikhon.
What is that? You coming?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Elbow. Elbow. Sakit ng ulo ko eh. Mabibiyak. What type do you want?
Oh. I'm the one that works.
Parang mabibiyak yung ano yung patakan ko mga kachika. Kaya na pa tumakas nung nandun kami sa Lidl.
Did you buy salmon? No, you didn't, did you?
No, because we don't need it. We're gonna pass again there on Wednesday, so
What? Say again?
we're gonna pass there on Wednesday.
Oh, yeah.
Baby cloud. Pop it.
What's that's chicken? You calling fried again?
Yeah. No good?
No.
What?
That's good.
This thing looks good now. Need a knife shot.
You got your tea.
Well, I won't do that, Jenny. Don't do that, love. I won't put poultry in there. Plastic.
Chicken?
Well, with poultry, isn't it? I mean, you might use it for something else. Huh? No? I'll just leave it on a... There's plastic in it. Huh? Porous. Raw. How do you do it? You fry it off first or not?
Yeah, cook it there first and then
What, in a pan?
yeah, on that okay.
Oh. Good. Oh.
Punta kami dun ng Lidl. Gawa ako ng ano nang tawag diyan. Listahan na wala man yung listahan. Pero nabili naman yata namin lahat yung mga kakailanganin namin. Ba, yung ano yung nandoon sa aking listahan. So, ito, bumili ka ng, alam nyo, ang Lidl, masarap yung mga donut nila mga kachika kasi para sa akin pang mas masarap siya compare sa M&S. Yung donut nga nila, yung parang texture ba niya ay parang crispy cream. Sa ano kasi sa M&S ay pag halimbawa gaya nitong, ito, meron siyang pink, ano ba yung glaze. Ganyan, strawberry glaze yata yun na may sprinkle siya. Pag once tanggalin na yung ganyan bumibili kasi may sa M&S, pag tanggalin na siya, kakainin ni Mr. Mo, wala ng lasa, yung donut. May lasa lang siya pag nandyan pa yung strawberry glaze. Ito naman ay hotdog brioche. Brioche pala ito nabili ko. Last time, nabili namin sa Aldi, hindi man yung brioche. coriander kay magawa na ako kaya nag-cut si Mr. ng chicken kasi gagawa ako ng coconut milk na may chicken ba na may coconut milk. Strawberry. Dali lang. Iinom lang ako ng tubig mga katsiyok. Masakit talaga yung ulo ko. O tapusin ko muna ito. Pringles, alina. Ito. Cream. Itong mura lang ito. 375. Magkano ba? 375. Basta mura lang. Coconut milk. Mura lang din coconut milk nila doon. Sa ibang shop. Bilhin mo sa ibang shop. Gaya sa, pero ibang brand naman yun. Bilhin mo sa, gaya sa Sainsbury's na sa 1 pound something. Doon 79 lang. Yung grand opening nila. Umili din ni Miss Janet. Ewan ko magkano yan. Tapos nabili ako ng pork belly kasi meron na akong nabili na ano ba. Parang gusto kong magluto yung pork pinagoongan.
Yeah.
Cucumber, Alisa.
All the breast off this, right?
Yeah, yeah. Alam niyo yung cucumber, masarap pala to yung ano mo lang siya. Isahog mo lang sa, lagyan mo lang ng pinakurat. Kasi nung naghiwa-hiwa si Alisa, binigay niya sa akin. Sabi ko, ano magagawin ko dito? Kasi chinap-chap-chap niya. Ay, nilagyan ko ng pinakurat. Ay, masarap pala mga kachika. Hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng asin. Pinakurat lang. Wala nang ibang halo. 2 baby milk. Baby milk yung tawag nito ng mga bata. Ito, sibas. Ito yung papadiner ko sa mga bata. Ito. Kasi nga, ilagay ko to sa aking kitchen. Paborito ni Esther. Ito masarap din to. Chocolate marble brioche. Na-try ko na yan before kaya naalala ko. Sarap yan. Frozen na may chocolate. Ang sarap ng ano nila Ang sarap tingnan pa lang ng raspberry. Maganda yung pagkahilog. Dalawa pa rin nilagay binili niya. Great. White pala yung tawag nila dito. White seedless. Pero sa akin kay green man ito.
What am I doing with this? Oh.
Just that one here, just take the skin there.
And this is the soup now?
Yeah, that's for soup. Nectarine.
Well, you freezing this breast or are you keeping it out? Freeze it?
Yeah.
Well, I'll cut it in strips now, shall I?
Ayan, cut some. I'm gonna give some to them.
Well, now?
Not all. Just small. Just half of that. Okay, that's it. That's it.
How many?
That one. Yeah.
I'll cut this up as well.
Yeah, just leave it like that.
Oh, I'll cut it up, man.
Yeah.
Past within 24 hours. Stella's getting ready right now to go to a friend's house. It's 4 in the morning. Hallie's at school, and he gets to stay home. I'm gonna send her back to bed because it sounds like he didn't sleep very good last night.
Is it straight with?
While watching the vlog.
You should try to go back to bed, and then if you're feeling better, you can watch a show later. Are you done eating? Doesn't look like she really wanted to eat much this morning. How's your
Alas
stomach?
8 na pala. Ano na pala? 10 to 8 na mga katsika ng gabi.
Keep you posted and see what the rest of the day brings.
Brasan ko na lang to. Tapos na to sila kumain. Kumain na sila ng kanilang donut. It's good, babe.
Well, it hurts when you run. You're slow.
May isa.
Super slow. Both run.
And then toothbrush.
Off now?
Tulog.
Yeah, take a drink. Take it
Okay, sit down here sa... Sit down, he said.
Is that good?
Sit down.
There's still, Bella.
Here ba?
Let me see your eyes. They don't look swollen. They look pretty. Yeah, but he's not feeling
You want your
good,
rope?
So she's just gonna watch a show or two right now. And we'll take a little rest
You want
later.
your rope?
Better we did the drops. Dad did them before he went to work, so we'll do them again in 2 hours, okay?
Can't touch it. It's too long.
So where are you going? She's going to a little friend's house. We'll do a little switcheroo play date, so she's pretty excited, huh? Oh, okay. What do you do at Reese's house? Huh? What do you guys play? Oh, the tram? Okay. Sounds like a good time. Yeah? Alright guys, Libby is just watching some of our old vlogs. This is the very first time we ever went to Disneyland. Check out that if you haven't. I've got some stuff to do around the house, just finish up laundry. I'm actually gonna get a quick workout in. I'm just gonna let her kind of hang out and relax, and then we'll take you along with us for whatever today brings. Alright, Libby's just laying on the floor, not feeling great, right? Now her stomach hurts again. She asked for some fruit, so I gave her some grapes. Didn't eat them. Anyway, I finished my workout and I'm just going to give her some drops to help her eyes. And then, I don't know, she doesn't really want anything for lunch, so she's just been hanging out. She watched a few shows. I think I'm gonna have her take a little bit of a nap. All right, I'm gonna have her lay down like this and just put in 1 drop in each eye, okay? Millie, are you gonna get some drops too? Okay, well, I'm gonna...
Dito tayo mga kachika, kay doon ako sana sa kusina, mag-vlog sana ako doon. Ito na, balatan ko na tapos nag-delete muna ako ng mga apps sa phone ko kasi yun na, as usual, yung storage natin ay ganun pa din. Inubat ako ng mangga kasi bumili ako ng isang mangga na ganito kasi ito talaga yung plano ko kanina kaya doon sa Lidl. Sabi ko, bili ako ng medyo matigas pa na mangga kaya gumawa ako yung pork na may bagoong. Ay, naglalaway na ako. Doon sa nag-start na ako doon magsalita sa amin ni Mr. Tinaboy ako. Sabi niya, punta ka doon sa living room, don't do it here in the kitchen daw kasi nagpo-focus siya. Inaayos siya mga katsika kasi nga hinahabol kami noong ng mga yung bayaran nga ng ano mga katsika, yung sa tubig. Inaano talaga namin ba? Kasi last time payment, ano ay, ang tawag yan yung July 15. Kasi nga nag-ano yan siya, naka-debit yung sa kanya. Yung automatic ba nila na dinideduct every month talaga. Kaya ngayon, binadalhan na naman kami ng letter na ganito ganyan nga. Pinapabayaran nila sa amin yung 500 pounds something na bayaran ng tubig. Tapos yun nga, nagbabayad pa naman kami din every month. Tapos yung 500, inaano talaga nila sa amin, hinahabol nila talaga kami. Kaya kanina papunta kami doon sa may taekwondo ng mga bata, kausap yun ni Mr. Tapos hindi nga naayos kasi nga, ano yung paalis na kami, tapos nagda-drive siya. Matamis din pala yung mangga mga katrika.
Why do you do that?